African languages. The process of developing self-identity is a gradual process that takes effort and time. Research has shown that maintaining one's self-identity not only strengthens one's character, but it also makes show of uniqueness and makes us comfortable. The sooner we embrace ourselves, the sooner we rid ourselves of insecurities and become comfortable with who we are. Finally, we become more aware of our immediate environment and our place in it. We are all here for a purpose, and recognizing our self-identity equips us with what we need to live out that purpose. Therefore, our African languages and culture module seeks to teach kids about their identity through African languages and culture. Here at AfriKids Club, we deliver a respective native dialect across cultures in Africa. It allows children to integrate with their tribe, to learn and understand their native language, and to help them find their identity in a multicultural world. An amazing blend of fashion, food, music, and art. A continent so rich in natural resources, spread with wonders of the world, diverse ethnicities, and style of living. If interested in learning African languages, register on our website www.afrikidsclub.com, and please do follow us on our social media platforms on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you.